Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make vegan calamari linguine. Starting off, you're going to want 3 or 4 king oyster mushrooms, you're going to want 5 cherry tomatoes split in half, 4 very finely chopped garlic cloves, 2 red bell peppers finely chopped, handful of parsley finely chopped. You're going to want 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, also a teaspoon of oregano or basil, and a teaspoon of sweet paprika, and finally, optional red chilli, and also some fresh basil there just to make it pretty. Start off by slicing your king oyster mushrooms, and with a cookie cutter or whatever round thing you've got, make a stencil out of it. If you don't have a round thing, use a knife. Next, on a medium flame, we're going to fry up with some olive oil, some garlic, the chilies, the fresh red peppers, the paprika, black pepper, oregano, and salt. Give it a good stir, add in some extra olive oil, doesn't really matter. I've added a touch of water in there as well, just to get things sizzling, and I'm adding in the vegan calamari. While that's all taking place, I'm throwing some linguine into boiling water, and in that time, I'm just gonna then add the cherry tomatoes and the fresh parsley into the calamari sauce. Give it a good stir, let it sit, and then just add your linguine in. That's about it, folks. Salt it, taste it, make sure it's nice. Finally, I'm just decorating that with the fresh basil on top, and there you have it, folks. This is a very, very nice dish. Packed with flavour. Cook it on low, cook it slow, let the peppers release, let all the flavours come together and concentrate. Hope you enjoyed this episode, folks. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment. Do give me a follow, it's always appreciated. Ciao for now, and I will see you on the next one.